Hi there. In this video, I've just got a quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 10 that I bought recently. This will be to replace a Garmin Fenix 5, which I've had for about 7.5 years. I'm replacing that watch because it started to play up a little bit, so I figured it's time for a new one. And I decided to go for something a little bit different this time, so I just went for an Apple Watch instead. Anyway, let's get to the unboxing. Alright, let's have a look at the box. Got an Apple Watch logo on the top. Nothing along the top edge. Nothing along the bottom edge. Nothing on the side, and there's probably going to be nothing on the other side as well. Yep. And then on the back, just got some details about the watch. The black area that's covered up is where the serial number is. And now to open these flaps up. These are a bit finicky, these things. It took me a couple of attempts to get them open. Try again. And there we go. That's one. And two. Open that up. And here we have two boxes, one for the strap, and this is the black sports band. So I've got nothing on the top, pull tab on the bottom, branding there, size there, so it's the medium large, and then just some details on the back. Pull this cord. And let's open it up. There's the band. And just some instructions on how to install it. That on one side. Now, this is a bit of a finicky thing to get into, so it took a couple of attempts. See, it just don't want to come out at all. Yeah, these things are a nuisance to get into. Eventually figured it out. There we go. I think this is probably one of the worst design packages I've ever seen from Apple. There's the band. Pretty straightforward. Long strap and then a short strap with a button. And now for the watch. This one is the Jet Black, I believe is the colour name. Yep, so Jet Black aluminium one. Nothing as usual there. And this time we've got two pull tabs. Okay, and now get into this. There we go. So first up, power cord, and then just some documentation. I don't think I'm going to bother with that. I can go back in box as far as I'm concerned. Now, to figure out this little puzzle. They should really put this on the Krypton factor or something. I'm probably dating myself without reference, but it was a nuisance to get into. There we go. That's one side. Do the other. Oops. Oh well. That part were easy. And there we go. I don't know. So it's a nice braided cable with a USB-C port on it, and then the magnetic hook or whatever they call it. So let's get to the watch itself. This thing is a weird package for this. It just didn't want to come out at all. So you can just see there's some markings on there as to what would normally be on the back of the watch as well. So to get it out, it's supposed to be a case of slide it up, but it just seems to be stuck in there. So this took a while to get in. I even tried to open it up and completely made a dog's dinner of that. Yeah, I don't think that's supposed to do that. So let's go back to the original way I was doing it and try sliding it up. There we go. So I just decided to turn itself on. That's fine, I can live with that. And from an unboxing perspective, that's it. That's all you get. No stickers, nothing extra. It's just what you see in front of you. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.